they tried to break my will, but I kept on. Made it out these pills, I said hallelujah. No one could help, I said hallelujah. Cause all the glory is mine, so no one else.
Ay, walang bunot!
I be smoking every day just to hide the pain. I don't wanna cry about it, gotta hide the rain. If you ever ask about it, I'll say I'm okay. The type to put on a vape hoodie just to hide my face. The type to go and buy some weed and hoping that it's late. The type to push you away, really hoping you stay. Gotta stop it. Now I'm smoking, wonder how long till I'm popping. Till I'm popping. Never gonna talk how I feel. Say this, no, I'm being real. Go hit the gym and I hop on the scale. Look in the mirror, can't look at myself. Heart so numb, I don't know what I felt. I'm so dumb, I don't know what I doubt. Suicidal thoughts, I need some help. Why the fuck do I think of killing myself? I can never talk about it, even though I wanna talk about it. Some people, man, I thought about it. How the fuck would I ever even call about it? Type of shit that you wouldn't ever call about it. Only thing I can do is make a song about it. Only thing I can do is make a song about it. Put it out and I hope they gon' listen. Fucking let everybody know how I'm feeling. Know that I'm different. How long until I'm winning? Tired of these motherfucking feelings. No, it's not appealing, so I try to act like a villain. Think about the love that I'm killing. Anxiety killing. Bad thoughts gotta keep them hidden. But right now they really hidden. Sitting in my room, gone right up to my head. And I wonder if I motherfucking did it. Would they even care about me? Really wonder what they say about me. Man, I really don't know. Would they ever pray about me? Tears on their face cause they fucking think about me. Would they ever let someone fucking play about it? Think about what I did for them. Could they go a day without it?
Taray. Patay pa ako eh. Patay. Diretso kayo, man. Diretso. Ay, baka wala kang bunot! Hindi ako nakabunot! Ayun ko yung ginawa niyong dalawa. Baka kayo niyo, man. Tara po, tara.
I be smoking every day just to hide the pain. I don't wanna cry about it, gotta hide the rain. If you ever ask about it, I'll say I'm okay. The type to put on a vape hoodie just to hide my face. The type to go and buy some weed and hoping that it's late. The type to push you away, really hoping you stay. Gotta stop it. Now I'm smoking, wonder how long till I'm popping. Till I'm popping. People, they tell me I'm doing a lot. I never feel like I'm doing enough. People, they ask if I'm loving my life. Tell them I'll do it, I'm hitting the blunt. Gotta keep a smile every day, it's a front. Act like a boss and tired of these motherfucking feelings. No, it's not appealing, so I try to act like a villain. Sing about the love that I'm killing. Anxiety killing. Bad thoughts, gotta keep them hidden. But right now, they really hidden. Sitting in my room, gone right up to my head.
Nice one, Maya.
Oh.
Mind games. Ay! Tangina mo, Maya! Inubos ni Maya, pre. Panis!
Kinakotse pa.
Could you go do without it?
Sa bulsa eh. Masag ako, gago. Patay isa. Patay. Iper! Yabot. Walang galingan. Patay. Patay daw yung isa.
Papaipis na lang ako.
Patay isa.
Uy, na-armor na ako.
Patay. Harap niya, ay yung kalbo. Ito niya.
Palo.
Ragdan. Pero pa.
Gawin yung ano, boy. Yung ako, lugar na yun.
Huwag kami yan. Ano